Okay, before I start this video, I just want to point out if it is a little bit laggier, I don't know, it's because I am recording this with Camtasia and my mic might be a bit louder. It's Camtasia, I don't know. Before I was using Fraps, but since Fraps can only record my games, I'm using Camtasia. So you're probably looking at this window right here and wondering, the heck, my PC and then computer.txt. Well, if you think about it, my PC is the equivalent to computer. But so by the title of this video, you probably have realized that this is an April Fool's joke that you could play on your friends, but of course you'll need access to the computer. So first thing you can do, I'll show you the prank. So it would go on to my PC, and then this thing will come up. Error while opening computer. Do you want to fix it? Well, do you? Yes. Unable to fix this error. Yes, I know it's probably really unrealistic that it can, do that whole thing really quickly. Like, do you want to scan your computer? Yes, it did that scan really quickly. So this is not realistic. Just do this to like a computer dummy and they won't realize this. So alert, virus has been detected. Do you want to delete it? Yes. Unable. All this. Now this is completely harmless and just keeps going. And then does this, you cannot access computer, and then at the end you can just tell them, this was a prank, there's no virus, and then you tell them bye. So to do this is essentially, this is a shortcut. See, it's open this, it's a shortcut, see? And that shortcut goes to, if I pull it up here, is for this file, computer.vbs. And the computer.vbs file goes in for this computer.txt. So this is how you program it. So originally you would have this. You would have x equals MsgBox open bracket quotations message quotations then comma 0 plus 16 comma brackets brackets close bracket, and that's what you will have. So let's just write title. So if you'll see, if I save the you save the file anyways. So I'll put this right here, I'll put that in the description for you to just copy paste. So essentially, see, error while opening computer, do you want to fix it? It's right there in between the two, I'm forgetting what they're called, quotations. So they're right in between there, and then the title is in between these two quotations. Let's just delete that. In these two quotations, and then this, it's pretty, it's the control, the like yes or no or okay or no, whichever one you want. So I'll put the codes for that in the description too. So if you'll see here, if I open up my PC, yes or no, and then it'll say yes, no, and cancel. That completely depends on the first number. The second number is the symbol right here. So you see it's this symbol, and then changes to this one. So that's on the symbol. I'll put the codes to that too. So essentially you'll copy paste this. So copy and then paste, do whatever you want. And then what you'll do, you write your message. You can write like, so let's say after bye bye at the end, this was a troll, and then you can go title, hello, and then whatever you want for these two. So you can just go do that, copy paste, check out the video on the other person's computer, go to this YouTube video, copy the link or copy the message box thing, and then paste it. So it's a very simple, prank thing. You'll probably freak your friends out, and then at the end, of course, tell them that it was fake, because it'd be really scary. Like, you wouldn't want to have a virus on your computer. So basically, when you're done with the file, let's just finish this. When you're done with this file, you're gonna go File, you're gonna go Save As, and then, you know, put it on your desktop so it's easy to find, and then you name it whatever you want, my PC, and then .vbs. You have to make sure it says VBS. So you save that, and then if I go back to my desktop, here's my PC.vbs, and then it does all this whole thing. So, oops, I just moved it. So it does the whole thing. And then, so you might be wondering, well, they're going to see this, change the icon. What you're going to have to do, you're going to have to put this somewhere else. So I'm not going to put it anywhere. And then you're going to right click it. And then right click on your desktop. You're going to do new, shortcut. You're going to browse. It should be on your desktop. It should be really easy to find. Just look somewhere. It should be somewhere. There, mypc.vbs. Okay. So you next, finish. And then you'll have the shortcut. It'll be the same logo. But this time on the shortcut, you could go and you go to properties, and then you can look over here and you can do change icon, and then over here you can pick whatever icon you want, the variety. So you could just, you know, pick the computer one and then apply. And then as you can see, my pc.vbs. And then you should just be able to rename this just my PC, and then there you go. That's the whole thing, and then you open this and it does the whole thing. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this April Fool's joke, and I hope you guys do this to your friends. So bye bye.